Hello everyone, in this video, we will be discussing the CN-SPAM Act, which is a critical law that aims to protect individuals and businesses from unwanted emails, messages, and other forms of spam. We'll cover what the CN-SPAM Act is, why it was created, and how it works. What is the CN-SPAM Act? The CN-SPAM Act stands for the Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography and Marketing Act, which was passed by the U.S. Congress in 2003. The primary purpose of this act is to prevent unwanted and unsolicited messages, commonly known as spam, from reaching people's inboxes. Why was the CN-SPAM Act created? Before the CN-SPAM Act was enacted, spam was a major problem in the United States. People's email inboxes were inundated with unsolicited messages, and there was no way to stop them. This caused a lot of frustration, wasted time, and money for individuals and businesses. The CN-SPAM Act was created to address these issues by making it illegal to send unsolicited commercial email messages to anyone without their consent. This includes messages promoting products or services, as well as messages that contain pornography. How does the CN-SPAM Act work? The CN-SPAM Act sets forth several rules that businesses and individuals must follow when sending commercial emails. Here are some of the key requirements. Consent: the sender must have the recipient's consent before sending a commercial email. This can be either express consent, where the recipient explicitly agrees to receive emails, or implied consent, where the sender has a pre-existing business relationship with the recipient. Opt-out: all commercial emails must include a clear and conspicuous way for the recipient to opt out of receiving future emails. The opt-out mechanism must be easy to use and must work properly. Identification: all commercial emails must identify the sender and include accurate contact information, including a physical mailing address. Content: all commercial emails must have a clear and accurate subject line that reflects the content of the message. The message must also be truthful and not misleading. Penalties: the CN-SPAM Act provides for penalties for violators, including fines of up to $43,280 per violation. Internet service providers and email providers can also sue spammers for damages. In conclusion, the CN-SPAM Act is a critical law that helps protect people and businesses from unwanted and unsolicited messages. By setting forth clear rules and penalties, the CN-SPAM Act has helped to reduce the amount of spam that people receive, making email a more useful and efficient communication tool. If you're sending commercial emails, make sure to follow the rules set forth by the CN-SPAM Act to avoid penalties and help keep your emails out of people's spam folders. Thank you for watching this video.